Well, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. This certainly didn't go as planned. Should do my cold good too, right? Ugh. Anyway, supposed to be my little personal Thanksgiving dinner here, and supposed to be able to cook it all outdoors easily. And just as I get things started, the rain shows up. Typical. Anyway, here's the finished dinner. Unfortunately, my butter didn't melt onto the crescent roll, but that's the finished dinner. To go with it, we got some gravy. And because I had so much food that I brought along, I have plenty of leftovers. So what I'm going to do with these, once they cool down enough, I'm going to stick them in the fridge, if I can fit them. And then when I get back to the home base, I'll probably stick them in the freezer. And whenever I feel like having a little Thanksgiving dinner, I've got it right here. But I'm going to evenly distribute some gravy between everything too. Take all the covers off here. Alright, so we got some nice gravy all made up on the fire pit. Sorry I had to stop filming, but the rain coming down just prevented me from continuing with it. A little bit of gravy for everything. A little bit more gravy for this plate. Go. I'll show you what we got in a moment. But we got quite a little feast here. This goes down here. I've got a whole tray of dirty dishes to wash already. Oh, yeah, I'm still congested from this cold, unfortunately. Still dealing with that. Like I said, being out there is going to do it good. You guys don't even know about my cold yet, do you? So yeah, I filmed these things, filming this stuff in different, out of order here. So yeah, I'm actually dealing with a little cold right now. Alright. It's a little stuffed up and everything from it. Yeah, you'll see in a few weeks there my video of me coming out here and coming down with a cold while I'm traveling and everything. Right, this one's out of sequence from everything else. And of course, no Thanksgiving dinner is complete without a nice big glass of eggnog. Apple cider would be good too, but I don't have any of that with me. You know, that should do. Coffee in the morning. Alright, so what we've got here for dinner tonight is my little personal Thanksgiving feast. We've got turkey, of course. Got some turkey cutlets. Got some candied yams, stuffing, potatoes, which was chopped up in pieces and cooked with the turkey, squash with brown sugar added to it, broccoli, and a crescent roll. So that's my little feast here. And like I said, we got eggnog to go with it, so we should have a nice, nice little meal here. Stuffing's good. Turkey seems to be a little bit on the dry side. But it tastes good. So it looks like I'll be indoors for the remainder of the evening. Alright, I'm going to finish my little Thanksgiving feast here, and I will check back in with you guys in a little bit. Well, that was a good feast of a dinner. I think I ate a little bit too much, but there's still room for dessert. So, what better dessert to go with a Thanksgiving dinner than some apple pie? No, it's not a homemade apple pie. This came from Stop and Shop, but that's a nice little personal sized apple pie, and it will make a decent little dessert. I can have it out of the package. There we go. There we go. Whoops. And I just dropped the package on the floor. So here's my dessert. And it's falling apart. So dessert is done. Dinner's done. Now all that's left is washing all the dishes. And there are a lot of them. Just like a traditional Thanksgiving dinner, there is a ton of dirty dishes left over. That's going to take me a while. Oops, get that in there too. That's going to take a while. Unless we got the big cast iron pot over here. Not looking forward to that. I'm not going to make you guys watch me wash the dishes, because I know how boring that can be. So I just want to finish off here by saying how thankful I am that all of you could join me on this video. Thankful of my over 1,000 subscribers now, that one of my biggest goals. And very thankful of all that. And for those of you worried about me spending Thanksgiving alone, don't worry. This video was released on Thanksgiving, but it was shot the week before Thanksgiving. So I will be spending Thanksgiving with family. The real Thanksgiving. As I usually do every year. I'll be up at my brother's house with the rest of the family. So I'll be spending Thanksgiving with family, which I'm also thankful for. One more thing I want to leave you guys with, and that's what I end each video with. Little phrase that I say. I want to take a moment to talk about that. Some people may be wondering what I'm talking about when I say all these things. So let's start at the beginning here. Let's slow down. Life goes by too fast. Slow down a bit. I mean, I see it every day when I'm out on the highway there. People bombing. Weaving in and out of lanes and everything else. What's the hurry? Slow down. Take in the scenery. Enjoy the drive. I tend to drive kind of slow. I like to move the van at only about 60 miles per hour when it's safe to do so. Stop being in a hurry to get things done. Stop being in a hurry to go places. Just slow down. And the second part. Enjoy life. If you're not enjoying things, stop doing it. Plain and simple. Get out there. Follow your hobbies. Follow your dreams. Enjoy your life. Don't just be working all day being miserable. Get out there and enjoy your life. It's very important. And then the newest addition to my closing statement there. Always be kind. And that's an important one too. There's a lot of meanness in the world these days. You just go online and all the trolls online and things like that. Just always be kind. You never know what people are going through. There's enough hate in this world already. The world needs more kindness. So, with that, I hope everybody has a very happy Thanksgiving. Hope you get to spend some time with family. And remember, slow down, enjoy life, and always be kind. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.